You guys, so I have been procrastinating doing this video for like maybe 2 weeks now. But this is my March plant haul. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I do have some new additions. My I'm so tired, you guys. I just finished eating and I kind of have the itis, and I just want to go to bed and sleep for like hours and hours and hours upon hours. So I'm gonna make this quick. So let's get right into it. I did not get too much stuff because obviously I don't have enough space, but I did have some plants that died. I did upload that video a few weeks ago. So I have a little bit of space. I wasn't going to buy any new plants, but I was around Home Depot. I was actually at Target, and then I thought maybe I should drop by Home Depot and see if like I could get at least one. I ended up getting four. Four plus two. Two were for my mother, and the four are the ones that I'm going to talk about right now. So first we have here the ZZ plant. I've actually always wanted one of these, and like I'm so happy I finally got one. It's right here. This one actually came. This one came with this leaf there, this leaf already in there. So I've tried not to touch it. It came with one that already had the roots, but it was outside of the soil. So I decided to give that one to my mom and see if she can like do something with it, see if it grows. But yeah, I've always wanted a ZZ plant. You know what, there was this really big, oh my god, you guys, I really need my I need my own apartment. Sorry, you guys, I had to do something really quickly for my mother. What was I saying? Yeah, so I'm happy I finally, okay, wait. So I went to Home Depot, and there was another ZZ plant, but it was huge. It was like one of those big ones that you see like people place like at the end of a coffee table or something. But it was so big, and I was so close to bringing it. But first of all, I have no space. Second of all, it was really heavy, and it wasn't a really. Even worse was the fact that it wasn't a heavy ceramic planter, and it was big, so I would not have been able to carry that. So I decided to take this small one, which is good enough, and it's so pretty. So yeah, that's one of the ones I got. And then I got a new bromeliad, and I got this type. I've never had this one before. I've always had the ones that open up. And if you see my last video, you know that my last bromelia died. Both of them actually, but the big one died a few months ago, and the first bromelia I ever received, I finally had to like let it go because it 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 died, and the offshoots were not salvageable, so I just threw it out. Damn, I was so mad because it did have three offshoots. But now I have this one, and we'll see. I'm not sure if the offshoots for this one are the same, but we'll see. So there you have it. This bromeliad is so pretty, isn't it? Excuse the mess in the background. This is all my like work stuff, and I just finished yesterday making some new products for my shop. So I've spent the day today, and I'll spend the next maybe today, tomorrow, maybe 2 more days taking pictures and videos, and then I'll start uploading them, and then is when I'll probably clean my work area. But back to the plants. So the ZZ plant, the bromeliad, and then I got this Kalanchoe. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Kalanchoe. Okay, this is pretty. You guys, look at this. It broke. I really have bad luck with like plants that I place near one of my windows because the shade is a little bit wonky. So the shade actually fell on it and it broke. So I think I might be able to propagate it, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I completely forgot. I did do my research. I placed it near the sun. And the leaves, look, so don't commit the same mistake I did. They burn so easily and I completely forgot. Now I have it placed in this window where it gets light and sunlight, but it not as strong, especially the afternoon, not as strong as the light that it was receiving in the other window. So I got this one. There were other colors. I think there was a white one. What other? I think there was a pink one, but I decided to go with this red one. And use this to take pictures of my products as well. So killing two birds with one stone. So yeah, the one that I broke off, I think I'm gonna propagate that one. I'm gonna do my research and see what's the best way to propagate it. But yeah. And then finally, look at this beauty. I wish I had videotaped this the day I received it, because look at these beauties. Look at this. 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 Sorry it's so dark, you guys. Let me see if you guys can see. You see this? You see all of these? Look at this. Now you see this one here. This one is about to open up. So when I came home, when I brought this home, this one was obviously not open. This one, and this one were not open. Or was it? No, these two were definitely not open. I don't remember if this one was open or not. I don't remember. But these two, I definitely remember not being open. So since I've brought it home, they have. And obviously, you guys, this is an orchid. Look at these. Look at this beauty. Look at this. It's so beautiful. The colors. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. So this one should be opening maybe in the next day or two. Look at this, so beautiful. And you know what? Let me see. I think another one is actually about to grow. Oh, and I've never had an orchid before. So there were other colors as well, but I obviously love blue. So, oh wait, can you guys see this right here? This one right here. Oh, it's not. Oh, there you go. I think that one is a new one. But yeah. So I've never had an orchid before, so I don't really know exactly how long they last. I was kind of nervous about getting like plants that had flowers like this orchid and the Kalanchoe, because I have such a small space, and it's indoors. I don't know how long these type of plants that have flowers like these would last me. But the orchid, it looks like it's doing really good. The only thing is that the top one, which is this one right here, in the back, it's kind of wrinkled and beginning to like get a little bit yellow on the back. But I mean, that one looks like it's really old, you know. So yeah. So this video looks a little bit dark. I'm sorry, you guys, but it's like the lighting in here today is just so bad. So bad. And I'm so tired that I didn't want to take off the shade and move a bunch of stuff because I've been taking pictures all day. So yeah, I'm just tired. So that's what I got for the March plant haul. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. I'm planning on making more videos of me planting some stuff. I'm not sure what exactly, but we'll see. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.